At Harmony Outdoor Inn, we've created a peaceful adult space where you can be as active or as chilled out as you like. We're about 2 hours north of Toronto, and it's like an entirely different world. We are located on the waterfront, so we provide kayaks and stand-up paddleboards and canoes for our guests to enjoy at no extra cost to them. We have glamping tents in the woods, and then we also have a 3-room bed and breakfast. It's 16 acres of wild in the town of Parry Sound. We want to have a really inclusive space that provides everyone with the experience that they hope to have. So when people come here, I hope they find a way to unwind. I hope they find a way to relax, and I hope they have a chance to breathe. We love the space at Harmony, and we can't wait to share it with you.